Where's the water?
Fofo, I need your help.
Sure, Miss Lucy. I am a great helper.
I need help watering everything in the garden.
Who needs help with their garden?
Oh, that sounds hard.
It's easy if you follow these directions. There are 3 steps. Step 1. Turn on the hose. Step 2. Make sure the water is coming out. Step 3. Water everything.
Got it.
Is Fofo going to turn on the hose?
Miss Lucy, I turned on the hose.
That's great. Now do the next step.
Huh? Where's the water? There's no water in this hose.
Fofo, how are you doing?
Miss Lucy, the hose is broken. I'll show you.
Does Fofo think the hose is broken?
Fofo!
Never mind. The hose is working now, Miss Lucy. There's a lot of water now.
So much water.
I followed your directions. I watered everything in the garden.
You sure did. You even watered the 2 of us.
Who was standing on the hose?